I love this hat. Love, love, love this hat. This is my beach hat. And it says it's a 5 o'clock somewhere. And it has been worn and it has been loved. And now it's going to get some sparkles on it. Y'all, this is so easy. So I'm going around the hat with this. And then I'm taking an additional piece. And I will be meeting them together. And that is the perfect size. So my back side starts right here. So I know I want this to be my front. So that's how I'm gonna do that. Okay. So I'm gonna start with my centerpiece. This is gonna be my center. And hot glue. You could leave it like this. Yeah. Now we'll take the strip off of this one. This is the one that I'm going to use with it. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and put my hot glue right here, and I'm going to do small amounts at a time. Okay. Make sure it's straight. You guys, look at how cute it is all the way around.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free printable sparkle quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.